Everyone and welcome to Brawlhalla. It's fun. That's all I'm gonna say. Let's play some shit. So I was really good at arcade last time. There is a reason, you'll see. I won it the first time. No deaths except one death. But I'm actually really bad at the game, so okay, you can go away. Okay, what you want to do is just get a weapon and watch them fight. We really have to do nothing on this one, so great. And also I'm gonna get also have a capture card because the quality is a bit lagging, and now the headset is superb. It's my birthday today, lucky me. I got a nice mic and a really lot of money. I was quite surprised. I could get both £2 Xbox and PlayStation 4s. It's pretty great. Okay, if you leave me alone, no, get away. But I'm the best dodger by far. I'm the worst attacker ever. So I use the SIGs and... Alright. Oh, I'm the best dodger. Immediately gets hit after 5 seconds of saying it. Okay, if you leave me alone... Oh, yep, I should not have gauged. Leave me alone. Also, no, the moment I was going to get that bomb, a sabotage, hopefully kill 2 of them, but no, you just despawn the moment I grab it, because why not? Oh, and this time, oh good. Okay. I tried to do a diagonal for throw, but I just hit myself. It's great. Come on already, just thank you for killing yourself, appreciate it. Oh, I'm so tired. And also love you, Ella, hopefully you actually watch this video, because you're mainly the only views I get, so... Out of all the maps they could have made for new Jumanji film, Jumanji characters, no, or Star Wars characters, you made Steven Universe. Why? It's also the soundtrack that gives me depression. I was bounced right back at me. Oh, good. So if you just let me get my bomb and haha, you're almost both dead, and I'm still on my first life because I have been battling no one. Look at this shit I'm out, hey. You leave me alone, and I'll kill you after, but you won't have to deal with the spams. I know it's boring, but you know what? I'll probably survive either way. Well, I thought I was Orion, the golden one, for a second. You just finish my SIG. I could have killed Orion. I knocked you both down. How does that make you feel? Like now? Little turds. Alright, Shit. Oh, that was clever. Yeah, you back away, you two. You're no match for me. You probably are, but maybe not with 1 health. You... Alright. Oh, oh, you want to go? Bye bye. All these fins are stopping him getting the finish out. Because a sig, like when you're like almost red, like with this one, because it's so much attack. Usually they just die, but no, because of this Skate Steven Universe Arena, it doesn't do that. So if I like get him here, knock him out like that, like just a plain old hit will kill him like that. But no. Oh damn! I got a. Ooh. Oh, I feel so nervous. And also in 3 days' time, I'm gonna get like a pretty fancy capture card. I'm gonna save up, so just really fancy videos, not just the Heartbroken mic attached by Blue Tack. I got a new one that's great, but I have no clue how to mute it, so that's a bit weird. And also, if I know how to put some description, I'll try my best. I'll put the mic in, because you can use it as the headset. Say if your one's broken, you can use this mic instead. So mine's like, it works perfectly, but the thing that's connecting the wires is just Blue Tack, so I made it very perfect so it all touches. Wait, why am I battling? Sit in this corner. I can finish. I can get so much points if I just kill them. So all one shot of anything. Okay, so am I. Right. Like that. Boom. Boom. Okay, you didn't die. Die. You just have to have your 6 perfect defense, don't you? Even though I only have 5, it's pretty average. And you just have, This map is so small, I can't really do my tactic. And also, because of this like thing I'm recording on, it's a site that you have to pay for to even like hear your friends if you want to use Discord. The limit is like 15 minutes. It sucks really bad. Also, if you type in the comments to choose, I can make the mic more like all around the room. You can hear more, or you can hear my voice more clearly, or like the games. I can change that as well. I should be in the tournaments. I am a genius. See, what I got all of them in like a solid attack. They were all getting sent, and magically I didn't get the kill. See? Yeah, dominating. Yeah, I know. Oh, okay, that's a bit of teaming going on. I understand that. Oh, final death so far. Ha. Oh, I saved your life. Be more grateful. I saved your life again. You could have charged for me again, yet you are. Oh, somebody just saved my life. I'm not going to say thank you. I'm just going to kill them because why not? I don't care if he saved my life. I'm just going to kill him. Oh, what you gonna? Okay, I'm showing you no mercy. All right, that was a bit clever one. Bye bye. Wait, Harmy. Oh, wrong one. Okay, I'm just gonna do Harmy. That's actually no, it's not Harmy. Spirit Ball. My bad. This almost hits well. Oh, bye. Auf Wiedersehen. Plonker. Might not even be able to film the finals because it is already finals. I must be the best one here. I only died twice and shit. Right, so if you leave me alone, I promise you'll be the last person to die. How about that? Person with guns. I forgot your name. You could have finished them both. You could have really helped me. Fireball. Oh, I think it's after this, so 1v1s, and then that's the best person. Can't really remember. Oh, this is the thing, I just randomly taunt. Okay, that time I did, but sometimes I always taunt randomly. You can't beat my unpredictable spamming techniques. Oh, he did. God damn it. Every time I think, oh, I'm the best dodger in the galaxy. Oh, no. I just got hit. Oh, shit. What? What? I'm still misses. I'm joking. I've already got misses. Let me get that song out of my head. Brother still misses. Brother, I'm joking. Okay, if you type your Fortnite name in the comment section, you'll get a 200 V-Buck giveaway. So that's probably my friend Charlie, or Isabella, if she wants to be a stalker. Because they're both really shit, they need the epic dances. And also, the day that this is filmed, if you go to Fortnite, you can get free skin, all defaults out there. Just go to the winter house, you can get a tree. All you get is a tree, is all I'm going to say. With her presents. You know, people are complaining about the Battle Pass not being free, even though it was free like 6 months ago. I almost got a double knockout. One time I got a 5-way knockout, and then my friend also got a 6-way knockout. We were doing 10 bots all in one of them. In one game, and I was spamming the shite. Can't say, you know what, because I was going to say this is a PG channel, but it really isn't. It's more like, let's say, like 15 or 12, like youngest age, because you're no match. I'm still on my first life. You have your first. We already battled, bruv. You're not going to beat me, because look, I am the ultimate spammer. As you can see. Alright, you got me there. Debated. Yo, I'm gonna just finish it with no weapons. Bitch slap out here. Oh, I'm the champ. 3 stars. I haven't. Really, 3 stars? 3 stars. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and hope I made your day a tiny bit better with my depression channel. Bye.